jungle.
Hi. Did you hear Mike and Media?
Froot Loops, say hi.
Hi!
Did you hear Mike and Media?
Yeah.
Collect 10 treats, collect 5 strawberries, and share 1 jelly bean token.
Okay.
Alright,
In there? What's going on with the space?
Okay, wait, I need
Robotic and medicine. That just means questions quickly. We might not have much time.
Where's
Simple. Nice. I mean, we'll small batch just to help if things get sketchy. That robot over there gets up to no good. I'll give it a few good whacks.
Did you
Now, you put this. The boxing glove ornament. I got you a few things, including the boxing glove ornament. With that, I'm free. You receive the following boost. Plus 25% comfort rate, 25% capacity in the bamboo field, and plus 5% the attack power. Sailor, I don't trust that Robo Bear.
Did you guys go and see Robo Bear?
No.
I don't know where he is.
It's by the rose field.
Oh, everyone's warning me to not go there.
Oh, we need drives to be able to talk to him.
Oh, you can buy drugs.
Oh, I have a quest, repairing Robo Bear. How do I obtain drives?
Um,
Does anybody else feel like they completely forgot how to play this game?
no, I don't need to play it very well.
I feel like I forgot what everything is.
What's your guys' favorite bear?
Science Bear.
I say yeah, Science Bear.
Yeah, I like Science Bear too.
Science Bear gives me so many facts about science. He's like my teacher.
He's like your teacher.
Yes.
Where can I have the gum feet?
Froot Loops.
See what Science Bear has for me. Because I don't think I have any. Why is there an outlet? Okay. I've been investigating the peculiar robot that's been installed near the rose field. It seems to require 4 different types of drives to operate. I've been working on constructing a red drive with the hopes of getting that robot working. But I've got a responsibility to Beesmiths that will have to come first. It's my job each year to get the Beesmiths lights functional, but they keep going out. I think I've identified the problem. The windy bee has been knocking them around with its gusts. You'll need to scare it off and repair the damage. If you work on the lights, I'll work on the red drive. Together we can make efficient progress on both endeavors at once. Convert 697,774 pollen to honey at the hive. Use 1 red extract. Use 1 blue extract. Collect 11 tokens from fireflies. Collect 11 tokens from wild windy bees. To find windy bee, keep an eye out for clouds hovering over fields. Windy bee always hides within a cloud and will attack if you jump into it. We'll usually spawn at least once per hour.
Seriously, we have to play this game for like hours.
Whee!
For hours.
Yeah, and this game takes down a lot of your battery very fast, so
What
I don't think
doing all day that you didn't call me earlier?
reading.
Oh, I have blue extracts and red extract.
Well, at least now we know how the lights keep on going. The lights keep on breaking every single Beesmith. It's because of Windy Bee.
Oh yeah, blowing them all over. Alright, I'm.
Wait, did you?
Make sure you keep an eye out.
Wait,
for clouds.
did they always say that? Because I saw they didn't.
No, I don't remember them saying that.
I got me and Rabbi using them and they because we don't know the bear's gender. It doesn't specify. Unless for Mother Bear and Black Bear, they specify those, but that's it.
I guess it's up to the.
And Brown Bear.
It's up to the player's discretion.
What?
I said it's up to the player's discretion. Like the player gets.
Okay, I want like shop for them to be non-binary then.
Of course you do. So, Damien.
But if anything, I'll probably.
That's so Damien of you.
If I wasn't normal, then I would probably make each bear a different unknown gender.
Wait, when did you? Who told
That's
you
so
you were normal?
Damn them. Hey, I say brown. You know, I say brown bear's gonna be gender fluff from now on.
Well, they can all be gender fluff technically.
Yeah. Alright, I completed half of my tasks, so let me just. Can I not put these back?
Ooh. I should say a completed task.
Because you completed a task.
Oh. Doesn't it look like Beastmas? It's beginning to look a lot like Beastmas. The map's covered in snow. We will make presents through the
I'm sad.
spreading the day delight to rebuild Robo. Ho ho spectacular. One step closer to making a present. Takes 2 of my quests to make a present. That's how special they are. And it'll
Don't
take
give
at
me a-
least 5 of my quests before the Robo Bear even starts to
No, I'm
begin
not
healing.
purchasing a white drive.
Beastmas, sorry, both of Beastmas ain't easy. And now I've got a gingerbread bear just for you. You think twice before you take a bite. You just might want to spend that bear in my catalog. Beast do so much for us all year along. Beastmas is our chance to show them that we appreciate our work. But that doesn't mean we don't treat ourselves at the same time. If you complete this quest, I'll give you a present. It's not for you, you see, not directly at least. Give it to any other bearer of your choice and they'll give you something back. That's what Beastmas is all about, getting something back. What? No, it's not.
He said Beesmas.
For example,
He said Beesmas, not
Oh. For example, I took this glitch drive from the Robo Bear. Are you kidding me? B-Bear is the one who broke Robo Bear.
Oh.
Later. Ho ho ho. Wait, so Robo Bear's from the North Pole?
We have 86 days to do this, right?
Yeah, I think that.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is present. And we only need a little job or inspiration. Let's decorate this place up a bit. If it weren't for me and my bees, you never know it was Beastmas. How sad. Go, the place is Beastmas.
Only gave me 97,000. Actually, I should probably upgrade my back.
That was such a long conversation with B-Bell. I only remember the beat. I think I remember the other stuff.
I don't even want to talk to any other bear because I already have so many.
I know.
To do.
Quest too.
I just talk to all of them, honestly. Like, I just like pick a random quest or pick a quest I want to do so bad. Basically, yeah, and then I just do it.
I try to talk to them all at once because some of the tasks overlap, so you can work on like both of them.
Yeah, that's what I do, Rara.
I don't like doing that because the last time I played, I wanted to get rid of all the extra tasks that I had
And you can't
to do. So I did all the half of those, and then I had 2 left until I talked to Slime.
So you just like to work on one at a time.
Yeah.
I don't. I really like working on all of them. I don't know how to explain that. I just do.
I just try to chip away at multiples at once. Like if I have to collect red pollen for 3 different bears, you could do it at the same time.
Ooh, I got a royal jelly.
Ooh, nice.
I'll be able to talk to B-Man. Remember B-Man?
Yeah.
Fireflies there. Work on Science Bears project. I'm also trying to keep an eye out for them clouds.
Oh yeah.
You can't talk to B. You can't talk to B-Man. When will they allow us to talk to B-Man?
I don't know.
Hi, where's the fire? Oh, what did the little firefly need? Where did those little demons go?
I don't know. They went up to
Collect snowflakes to buy The white drive, presents. Okay, cool.
I'm just trying to collect. I spent so much time trying to fill up my backpack. And then it only converted into 97,000, and I need 697,000.
Ooh. The glowing bees are at the bamboo field.
Ooh, I might have seen them because I need them.
No.
Yeah, I need them.
Yes,
Flake.
yes, Queen.
At the which field?
It was at the bamboo field by the spider field.
Your mom. Your mom.
They're gone now.
Over there. Yeah. I just missed them. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna come over here anyways, just to get some.
They have a digital people to corrupts fields and duplicates ability.
Yeah, fucking stuff. Mega job.
And it's 2,500 Robux. Holy cow.
Ooh, how much does it? I want to buy the most expensive, backpack, but I don't know if this is gonna be worth it.
Well, I upgraded along the way, so I would buy the next highest level one and then the next, but sometimes it might just be better to save up for a bigger.
I know, but
It takes a lot longer.
I have enough for the
The
highest.
game wants us to buy the speed because we get so many tries from it. You gather the ingredients now. I would do the hard work. Cut, snip, ta-da! The honey reed. It looks even better than I imagined. Now that it's done, you may mail it once every 30 minutes. When you do, its blender will instantly convert all pollen in your bag into honey tokens. That'll suddenly speed up your honey making. Things are starting to look festive around here. If you talk to other bears, I'm sure they'll have other Beastmas decorations to work on. Hey, Beastmas! I
Is
don't
it
have
just
to wait
me?
for Windy Bee every hour. Sorry.
Have any of you heard of the item Goose?
Yeah,
Because I need that for Mama Bear's gingerbread house.
that's the stuff that comes from the gumdrops, like the purple and pink stuff that drops on the field.
I have a
Oh,
question.
But
Why do we why does it have to be 1 hour for Windy Bee? Because some people don't have computer. Like some people don't have certain computers that they keep plugged in. Like we have phones and some people and I have when I do have my computer, in a computer that's supposed to be plugged in all the time.
I need to collect more treats, one more strawberry, and I need one more. I need to share one jelly bean.
are you guys up here
I'm sorry.
route?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Bro,
Yeah, at the cactus field.
what's a red extract? What the heck are those?
There's a little vials of red stuff.
Yeah, it helps you with your honey collecting abilities. I think it is. I need to for one of Mama Bear's quests. I need to share one jelly bean token, and I don't think I have it.
You don't have a jelly bean token?
Yeah, I don't think I have it.
Was separate good beekeepers from good beekeepers from master beekeepers. Collect 10,000, okay.
So I wouldn't even know how to share.
You go to your egg icon, and if you have jelly beans, you just drag and drop it onto the field. I dropped some. See if you can collect the jelly bean things.
Okay, for eating, pause for decorating, having some fun. My favorite piece of activity is to be building two different houses. I'm struggling a little bit this year, and I'm not okay.
Oh, I did it.
Can we?
Nope, not leave.
Perfect. This ought to do. Let's just stack it all together, and there. Looks adorable and a bit tasty. Now that is complete, the gingerbread house will generate gingerbread bears for you. For every 2 hours you spend in game, it will generate one gingerbread bear. Gingerbread bears generate even if you forget to check the house. Whenever you do check it, it'll give you all stored gingerbread bears to you. Gingerbread bears are beloved by bees and even have a chance to turn them gift. In addition, you can also use them to purchase special things to things in Bee Bear's catalog. They're only there during this time of the year, so be sure to stock up.
Damien, you got the dandelion badge.
Ooh,
Yep.
thank you.
Oh wait, we actually get badges now.
Yeah, you just got a badge. I'm gonna go see. I don't know if I want to go. I want to buy a new bear. I'm gonna buy a new bee, but I don't know. Okay, yeah, I need more honey. But that's okay. I'm gonna convert the honey that I have right now because I need it for a quest anyways. I need it for picking a.
Are you guys gonna be playing for a while?
Yeah, I have a while.
Okay. Cause I have to go to the grocery store, so I'll have to get off, but I can get back on when I get back. If you're still playing.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
I'll be able to, I have nothing to do anyways. I'll be home for another day tomorrow.
Oh, are you even in school right now? Cause yeah, you guys went back after the New Year, right?
Yeah. I'm back on the 3rd.
Except for you.
Okay, I could need to collect any fireflies out right now. Oh wait, it's nighttime only, I think. Where are all these clouds at?
I have no.
Hey, Mom.
Bruh.
I think I'm gonna get another quest, because these other quests are gonna take me a while. Should I do black bear, or should I do bee bear?
Bee bear. And then you'll have to do black bear because you have to admire his wreath, I think. For the bee bear quest.
It's Beesmas, the season where we all celebrate and cherish those most important in our lives. Our bees. I brought along my entire crew. Their festive bee and reindeer puppy bee, and the club bunny too. That's not all. Oh. I brought along someone a little more novel than those guys. The Robo Bear, or so that's what I've been told its name is. It's a gift from a secret friend of sorts. And Beesmas is all about the joy of gifts. The Robo Bear is near the rose field in the 15 bee zone. If you don't have 15 bees, well, you can peek at it from the sunflower field. It's got a nifty little clog-themed shop set up, jankily jolly. But don't get too excited just yet. The Robo Bear isn't working. You see, it's broken. They're broken because of the lack of Beesmas joy. There's only one way to fix it, by partaking in Honey Day festivities. Each time you give a present, that poor Robo Bear's mechanical heart feels just a bit. Every time you complete one of my joyous quests, a short circuit repairs itself. And every purchase you make from my so generous catalog, which you can access by pressing the ginger bear timer on the right-hand side of your screen, tightens its bolts and untangles its wires. You see, we'll all benefit. So let's get making those presents. There's no time to wait.
What?
Accidentally gave Panda Bear a present.
Let's spread that jar before Robo Bear blows another fuse. Okay. Like 100,000 red pollen, 1,000 white pollen. Oh, that's easy! Hey, Ray. Go. We need to go. See you. Oh! Right. Okay.
Alright, 3 minutes left on the video, guys. Oh, the thing's gonna come back. The glowing bees.
Okay. I'm back. I had to get my noodles.
Don't forget to talk to Dapper Bear by the snail field.
Where is the snail field?
By the pineapple field. A stump field, I mean, is what it's called, not the snail field.
What zone is it in?
10.
Stump.
So go up by the bamboo field, up that ramp.
Okay. Ugh.
What is things called?
Then you climb up here into that building over there.
Oh, the building that needs 15 badges?
Is it 15 badges? Where are you? Are you in the stump field?
No, I'm coming up to the cactus.
15.
Do you see me? You gotta go to the bamboo field.
Bamboo field.
Up the ramp by the bamboo field, where Panda Bear is.
Alright, I'm coming.
Up here. Can you get up this way?
What way?
Over here. Into the building. You see where I am?
Hold on. Yeah, I need to have a hat
Oh, okay.
and cool boots.
Alright, we're at 31 minutes, so I'm gonna end this video, and then I'll call you when I get back from the grocery store. We can make another one.
Okay.
Okay, love you.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.
What? You're cutting out. Okay, bye.
Bye.
What, Dame?
I said love you.
I love you too. I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Okay.
See ya.
I need to get Colin. So hard to get people from